Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 22nd. We're getting a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday type attitude this morning. Corn up 4 cents, beans up 6 1/4. The wheat market up about 3.5 cents right now. Can we hold the strength today? What are the funds going to do here as we get into this 9:30 time frame? And are we going to see any export sales around 8 o'clock? Are we going to see any new announcements? Those are things to pay attention to. But market right now reacting to 6% planted for a nation for corn. Average guess yesterday about 9%. Wheat, good to excellent ratings coming in at 34. Same as last week. Last year we were at 35. So we are getting a little bit of a bounce so far. But I think planters will be running here as this rain had moved out yesterday. Very minimal rain up by us here. I know of that. A lot of guys that we've talked to the last few days, they're going to be going. We're going to see some planting progress here this week. And something, just kind of a little side note. If you look at the last 6 years that we've had a slow planting pace, 5 out of those 6 years, we ended up beating trendline yields. So right now, this does not matter. It's still early, but as of through this week, looking at what we can do, even into next week, you're going to see the planters rolling, and I think that's why we're seeing these markets go down and test support areas. So we really have to pay attention to those on a technical basis. If we start taking out these support areas, we could see further decline. Funds right now are along quite a few contracts of corn and beans for that matter, so something to certainly pay attention to this time of year. Now, looking at some of the other markets, cattle right now up 45 cents, very strong box beef yesterday. Choice up 271, select up 284. So really have seen this turnaround over the last week or so. Puts Packer break evens right now at 142. Last cash trade last week at 146. Nothing traded yet this week. But still expecting to see maybe steady to a little decline there. As far as hogs, up 27 cents right now, but cutout values dropping again, down $1.92 last night, putting them at 119.42. Still expecting to see some very choppy trade over the next several weeks as we still kind of fight this, PED issue. Where are we at? What kind of numbers are we going to have showing up, and lower slaughter numbers? So we typically get this decline for slaughter as we go into the summer, which could end up finding a little support there as well. But we have put a lot of premium into this market. We're seeing things getting pushed around very quickly, but could still see some very choppy markets over the next several weeks. Stock market up 9 points. Gold up $1 right now. Silver up 7 cents, with the dollar down about 13 cents at this time. So keep an eye on this stuff here today. We're here to help you out. If you guys have any questions, we'll be glad to take those. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.